Online teaching class Gangni Secondary School English First Paper. Chapter 13 Media and E-Communication. Lesson 3 E-Learning. Class 10. Name Suresh Chandra Rai. Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. Thank you all. I am also fine. Listen to me very carefully. This is your class 10 because it is an essential lesson. The lesson 3 is e-learning. E-learning means electron learning. Let's discuss the part in section A. Students, look at the part and observe the picture. Yet, here are some books connected with a mouse. Isn't it my hardest learners? Dear students, aim at the section B. Here are some questions. Question number 1. Have you ever experienced any digital education program in multimedia or CD or DVD? Question number 2. Have you ever used any digitized educational resources such as Oxford Dictionary, Banglapedia or Wikipedia? Question number 4. Have you heard of online education course? Question number 5. Have you ever seen a classroom teaching program on TV? Dear students, work in pairs and find out the answers by discussing each other. Students, come to the section C. It's the text lesson now we are reading and sharing with you. It will be a classroom without blackboard or desks. It will be without a printed book or a pad or even pen or pencil. I think you are thrilled to imagine that you have asked a question and your tutor is answering it while flying in a Boeing from Dubai to Dhaka. These are possible in a virtual campus in the system of e-learning. For quite a long time, educationists have utilizing the advances of computer technology. Students, the social networking services have a huge potential to help the educationists in this sector. They have access to millions. They have access to millions of people worldwide. With the computer assist teaching learning software, online education programs are evolving fairly rapidly to assist convention education system. Students, we may confuse distant education or computer based learning or computer assist training or even online education programs with e-learning. We should be cautious about the mixed up. So, in e-learning, everybody can do whatever steps such as registration, admission, classroom entry and exit, class work, attendance, discussion with course mates, feedback, exam and finally certification must take place electronically through computer and the internet technology in a virtual campus. Dear students, born and graduated in Bangladesh, Dr. Bodrul H. Khan was a professor at George Washington University and the University of Texas, USA. He is one of the celebrated theorists in the field of learning. Dear students, fill up the gaps with suitable words from the text. lesson. Number one, education expert have been utilized the advantages of computer technology for a long time. Number two, in e-learning, everything from admission to certification must completed electronically through computer and the internet technology in a virtual campus. Number three, in some online courses, you take your test online. Number four, in case of online programs, there is some conventional campus from where you get certification. Number five, in e-learning, all activities are done by a system called learning management systems, in short LMS. The students write your homework and email to your teacher expressing your feelings and opinion of education in e-learning. Also ask your teacher to clarify